Hi, my name is Cindy Huston, and it's my pleasure to meet you. And I would just like to ask you, with permission, how is your body feeling today? And do you have any aches and pains or an old injury that never fully healed? If yes, I'm going to invite you to continue listening. How is your sleep? If you answered not great or it could be better, I'm going to invite you to continue to listen. My name is Cindy Huston, and for the last 30 plus years, I've had the privilege of helping people reconnect with their bodies physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And this began as a dancer teaching dance and led from my knowledge as a dancer and a professional performing artist to begin to learn about the healing arts. So merging performance arts into healing arts. And I give great thanks to these practices as a performer and also as a practitioner that's allowed me to continue to serve and serve thousands of people throughout the world, from anywhere from mothers, fathers, CEOs, to Fortune 500 CEOs and companies and the King's Council. And there is a time that I can share with you, if you're open to listening, where I had to make a big decision in my life. There was a time when I was helping build not only my own business, my own practice, but also helping 10 other businesses build their spas, their wellness centers, their yoga programs, where I was teaching 35 yoga classes a week, plus my own private clients, helping build teacher trainings. And I did that for 7 years. And about year 5, my health started to get impacted. And I really had to look deep as to why I was serving these practices and what my longevity would be, and even the quality of experience that I was offering to my clients would be if I continued on this path. And I made one of the hardest decisions ever, which was to end those relationships and bring everything that I had learned up until that point in my life. And in 2014, I officially opened Yoga Body Elements LLC in Chicago, Illinois. And in this space, I serve a lot of a practice called restorative yoga. And this yoga has gotten me through many, many things. And the difference about restorative yoga is it's supported by props. You stay in postures for 5 to 10 minutes, and we focus on breath, and I lead you through guided meditations. And this allows your nervous system to regulate and come into that parasympathetic state, and not that go, 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 do that a lot of us feel, especially entrepreneurs, and especially in the beginning when you're really just wanting to build your business. And I give credit to this practice to keeping me regulated, to keeping me in balance through some of the most challenging times before my business and over the last 11 years, having yoga body elements, building festivals, having a women's circle, and much more. And so I'd like to invite you to a practice. And if you feel connected and you want to learn more about restorative yoga or what has supported me as a woman, as a business owner, and a leader in wellness, I'd love to share these practices. You can text me for a quicker response, 773-891-7071. You can email me at cindy@cindyhuston.com. And if you have your cell phone, you can grab your cell phone and find me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and I'd love to connect with you and see how these practices can support you, your family, your employees, and what it is that you're creating life so you can show up more powerfully and continue to serve for many years to come yourself and those you love. I look forward to hearing from you and wishing you the most wonderful day. Bye for now.